According to Google's answering machine, AI stands for artificial intelligence, meaning the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines that include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. To me, artificial intelligence is simply fascinating, so I've given it a new name: autonomous intellect. By that I mean a thing that can operate independently based on data at hand. When he started looking into AI, Elon Musk probably envisioned a device that could do everything the human brain could do, including sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, but also involving the feelings of pain, pleasure, humor, sadness, empathy, and the ability to tell right from wrong, or morality. There's something else. Once something is detected, it's remembered. Think of it: the ability to recall the minutest detail of anything ever detected or experienced. That sounds way cool. But it also creates two huge problems. First, where and how to store the data. And second, who decides how, when, and why what data is deleted. They say the capacity of the human brain is inestimable, and that we actually use only a tiny fraction of it. We just barely scratched the surface of autonomous intellect. Huge data centers have been created across the country over the last decade, and they've finally run into a problem nobody really has a complete answer to just yet: temperature control at data storage sites. Computers create two things that are hard to get rid of: data and heat. Faster the machine, the more data it can consume and the more heat it creates. Air conditioning takes electricity or water or both. That condition has already reared its ugly head in Arizona. Water has become a major problem because of 30 years of drought over most of the Southwest. A big chunk of the state's electricity is generated by dams along the Colorado River. Because of the state's growth, its major power providers, Arizona Public Service, the Salt River Project, and Tucson Electric Power, have been having difficulty lately keeping up with the demand. With 100 already in operation, another 80 giant data centers are under construction or in the planning stages in Arizona so far this year. There doesn't seem to be a limit to innovations in computing and data handling these days, but we have a long way to go before autonomous intellect can come to fruition. There's more at tedthayer.com/commentary.htm.